Hi, today let's make simple and easy instant crispy ragi dosa. Very simple, very easy to be done. It will be done in 5 minutes. In a bowl, add ragi flour, then add salt and water. Now, while you add water, try to mix it and see to that there are no lumps. The batter needs to be super like a water consistency, very thin, that kind of consistency which we are wanting. So, this is the exact consistency which you are wanting. Check for the salt. Now, you can add in the chopped veggies of your choice. I've added in chopped onions, chopped curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and chopped green chilies. Give all this a very good mix, and instantly you can start making it. No need of fermentation. One tip is the tawa which you are making the dosa needs to be super hot. On the hot tawa, add in ghee or oil of your choice. Add in the batter like this, like how I'm pouring it, and just cover it with the lid for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then your ragi dosa is ready to serve. You can serve it hot with the chutney of your choice or any coconut chutney of your choice. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy. Don't forget to comment and support as well. Enjoy.